Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the essentials: Visual Studio 2022 Plus, a GitHub account, and Copilot access. Once ready, open Visual Studio and sign in at the top right so your account links to the IDE. Next, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and search for GitHub Copilot. Start the install immediately. Make sure Visual Studio restarts after the install. This step connects the extension to your local environment so authorization can happen next, and it avoids permission errors later. Once the extension is installed, you must authorize it. Visual Studio opens a browser window and prompts you to sign into GitHub and grant Copilot permissions. Follow those prompts and confirm. After authorization, return to Visual Studio and open Tools, Options, GitHub Copilot to enable inline suggestions and choose how suggestions appear. You can change key bindings for accept/reject and adjust language-specific behaviors and suggestion frequency. Make these choices now so suggestions match your coding style and workflow. To finish, verify Copilot works by typing a descriptive comment or starting a function and watching for inline suggestions. Accept one to confirm integration. If suggestions don't appear, make sure Visual Studio and the Copilot extension are up to date, then restart the IDE. If problems persist, sign out of your GitHub account in Visual Studio and sign back in, or clear cached credentials and reauthorize. This single step resolves most token or permission mismatches and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.